We are back for another episode of Cooking with Travs. Got my little sidekick Marianne here with me, and feeling a little under the weather, so we're gonna make a sort of like a healthy meatloaf, I guess you would call it. We're not gonna put it breadcrumbs or any of that type of thing, just because it's maybe not the best. So we got our meatloaf here. We use a ground beef. This is 90% lean. I usually try to go with 96% lean, but 90% is all we had this time. We got some baby pork rinds that we're going to smash up. We've got some onions, an egg, Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese is I would say it's a superfood when it comes to cheeses. We got the organic ketchup. I like parsley in my meatloaf, black pepper, salt, garlic, onion, all that good stuff. So let's get started. All right, first up, what do we want to do? We want to cut open the meat. And we're going to put it in a bowl in here because we got to mix everything together. We're going to let Marianne do it, and hopefully things go okay. We're going to see. Okay, we're getting there. I'm afraid that they're going to have a little backlash over here. She might hit me with it.
I'm just like sweet.
Yeah. You like meatloaf? He's not eating any of it. Only me. Yeah, buddy. Shout out to Pauly D, Jersey Shore, baby. All right. Can you get it in here or no?
Yeah. Let me just cut that like little corner.
So we put the pork rinds in with the meat because we kind of want a binder. It kind of holds the meat all together. Most people use breadcrumbs.
The blood and everything?
Yeah, put it in, yeah. I heard it's not blood. I heard it's protein.
Okay. Well.
All right. So we got the meat in here. Next up, let's just start. Here, want to crack an egg and put in there?
Yeah.
We're going to put one egg inside here.
Do you want me to get the garbage can really quick?
No, just crack it, knock it, and pop it in, and we'll throw it out.
No.
No shells. We don't want no shells.
Oh, no. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
I'll take the dish when you go. Oh. All right. Now we got the egg with the meat. Now Marianne's going to throw in a bunch of chopped onions. I like chopped onions in my meatloaf. I didn't chop them up too good, but whatever. That's okay. We'll live. All right. Now we're going to break up the pork rinds. We got to make sure that we've got a little bit of a space open to let the air out as we smash it, and we do. So here you go. Smash it a little bit on there, nice and easy.
With my hands or?
With that thing. Nice and easy, nice and easy. They break up easy.
Because they're weird.
Yeah, you get the fluffy pork rinds.
Is this basically a substitute for
breadcrumbs? We don't need no stinking breadcrumbs. There you go. You got it. You got it. You got it. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. We should have used a little bit of a bigger bag. Nice and easy. You turn it over from the opposite side and hit it again that way too. You gotta break it up. You gotta do it. Get it pretty fine. So keep going with the thing. Easy, 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 easy. You don't want them to fly out, dude. All right, now flip the bag over.
I did.
Like this. Now hit it from this side. Because it pushes the big ones to the bottom down. All right, beautiful. Throw that sucker in here.
Oh, the smell.
Pork rinds. It smells good. There you go. All right, we'll throw that bag out. All right. Moving right along, now we're going to start adding some seasoning to it. First, we're going to do ketchup. I'll add ketchup first. I put ketchup inside the meatloaf as well as on top of the meatloaf when we put it in the oven. I never used to like ketchup on the meatloaf, but as you get older, your taste buds change. I think we might have talked about it last time we did a show that your taste buds might. I think I heard they change every 7 years. So, all right, what do we got? Garlic. We got garlic.
Little.
That's good. I guess we could have used some minced garlic, but we didn't get a chance to do it. Now we got salt. Gotta have salt. Good. Yep. What do we got next?
Onion.
powder. Just a little bit, because we
This-
got onions already in there. Good.
Pepper.
This way, yeah, we put onion powder in there because it'll coat the meat a little bit better, and we'll get that flavor all throughout. Just a little bit more. I like it. Little bang. There it is. Good. Emeril Lagasse style. Bam. Bam. I like parsley in my meatloaf. Some people do, some people don't. I do.
Is that good?
No, a little more. Let me see. I'll show you a quick way to do this. I open up the other side. Kind of just spread out that side on it. So what's the secret to a good meatloaf? Honestly, it's seasonings, and I would say Parmesan cheese.
The whole
throw it in there.
thing?
No. Here, I'll get you. You put Parmesan cheese with some good seasonings. There you go. Now Marianne's going to get her hands dirty. She's going to mix it all up. Get in there, mix it all up. Squeeze it, break it. Yep. There you go.
This is defrosted like really well, so it's not
It is
frozen.
defrosted,
I
yeah.
know, so it's not frozen
Yeah, I
in the
put it in the
middle.
refrigerator like a day ago from the freezer.
Yeah, because when it's
Yeah, squeeze it, get underneath it, flip it over, try to bring everything together. There you go. Just broke the egg. Get in there, mix it around, flip it. Yeah, get underneath. Yeah, flip. There you go. Yeah, get it all on the meat, and then you can squeeze all the meat together.
smells really good.
Does it?
Yep.
Fortunately, I've got a little bit of a cold, so can't really smell or taste. Hopefully, it's not COVID. I don't know though. But nowadays, COVID is classified just as a regular common cold. So we move on with life, right? There you go. Mix it up. Get it good. Get in there. Yeah. This is the fun part. Kids love doing this, right? Messy and stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Does it feel like Halloween though, where you're like messing around with like dead person's guts or something? Is
Okay.
it all good?
Yep.
All right. So what we're gonna do now? We got a simple pie dish, and
So I'm gonna dump it in there with my hands before I wash them.
yeah. We line it with non-bleached. We line it with non-bleached parchment paper. But put it all in. Just tip the bowl over, put it all in, and then you spread it out. Dump it, just put it all in. Right? Get it all in. I prefer non-bleached parchment paper. Maybe it's better for you, maybe it's not. I don't know. I'll put it up there. Now what we're gonna do is, mash it all down real nice, make it all even across the whole thing. Then we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees, probably about 40-45 minutes, maybe a little bit more. I tend to like my meatloaf cooked well done. So yeah, make it even. You gotta spread it out more so it's even. If this side's all the way up against the side, then that side needs. Just go in the middle and kind of push down and then out. Yep, like that. There you go. There you go.
Okay, I think that's pretty even.
Okay, now for the last thing, what do you need? We hit it with some ketchup right up top. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 right across. That's how we do it. All right, we're gonna pop this bad boy in the oven for a little bit, and then we'll get back to you.